So you have this one, bend, trash, bend, trash, bend, trash, bend. And as you're cutting, you could see that your fence is looking clean and it's coming out correct. Trash, bend, trash, bend, trash, bend, trash, trash. It's kind of on the ends, it gets a little complicated, but there you go. This is basically trash. And now you have here, this is supposed to be one more bend, bend. And now the pliers, so we have that one, bend, get a good angle over here, AJ. This is how you bend for a clean fencing finish. All right, there it is. All right, you can end it now.